list of foods that you can eat that is gonna boost your testosterone. So number one is you need foods that are rich in vitamin D3. Foods that are found in this category are mostly protein, animal protein, mackerel, fish, or Titus, then our sardine, not the canned sardine, your wild salmon, shellfish, shrimp. You need to be eating your grass-fed meat, that's your red meat. The only food that is from the plant kingdom that is contained in this is mushrooms. Mushrooms is the combination of vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. Now, this might be one of the reasons why being a vegan doesn't really help in this. So another one that you need to incorporate in your meals, but you need to really be conscious of, is your eggs. Like how the chicken that lays your eggs is raised matters, especially all these layers and all of that, that they give a lot of hormones to lay chickens. Just know that you are eating a lot of hormones. And this chicken egg, instead of helping you, is literally going to throw your hormones out of balance. So that is the protein part of it. In the fruit kingdom, you need to be eating a lot of bananas, fruits from the citrus family, grape. You need to be eating berries and cherries, your watermelon with the seeds, because watermelon seeds contains a lot of healthy fats. You need to be eating your healthy fats like avocado, your butter, your yogurt, your coconut oil, or just your coconut. Coconut is rich in saturated fats. You need to be eating palm oil. You also need to be eating your omega-3s, which is your flaxseed, your chia seeds. If there is any foods that I know that has helped and has helped really fast, it will be wild yam. They call it ona. Is bitter like this. If you're Igbo, you should know that your dark leafy vegetables, especially pumpkin leaf, I don't know if you guys know it, and also the pumpkin seed itself, you should eat raw okra. Raw okra and even the okra leaves literally puts your hormones in balance gradually. Cacao seed, in the beans kingdom, we have the wild beans, which I am going to be showing you guys how I prepare my own protein powders that help boost dopamine and testosterone. So you guys, if you're interested in knowing how to prepare that, instead of taking those protein powders or steroids that actually further puts your hormones out of balance and lowers your testosterone, I'm going to show you at the end of this video how I make mine so you can know how you can make yours.